Hi nail friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I did this beautiful Valentine's Day inspired mani using Layla dip powders. So let's get right into the video. On my nails, I have a layer of Mother One's gel glue. It acts as a builder gel as well. So I'm just applying my own peel off base coat for easier removal. If you want your nails to last longer, you should skip this step and I wait for it to dry. Starting on the index finger, I apply a thin layer of Layla base and then I dip it into the pink dip powder. What I like about Layla dips is that you get a lot of dip powder in the containers. When doing your nails, I suggest you place the dip powders in another container so it's not as compact, because dipping into this can lead to smudging of the nail. I like to live on the edge sometimes, but don't do this if you're a beginner. Place it in a dipping tray and use it. So I did 3 layers of that. Now moving on to the pinky finger, I did 3 layers as well. On the ring finger, I apply a thin layer of base and dipped into my Pro Dip Clear Dip powder. So I separated some of the heart glitters and some of the pink hexagon glitters and placed it in a cap for easier access. Now I placed base again and stuck the heart shape and hexagon glitter on the nail. These dip powders are from Layla's Honeymoon collection, which is inspired by Valentine's. Also, if you'd like to purchase from Layla, I have a discount code. I'd leave the information in the description below. I like supporting small businesses, and Layla has a nice dip powder formula. The dip powders are finely milled and nice to work with. So check out the company. I also have a few other videos I did using Layla dip powders, so I'll link them in the cards. Now moving on, I placed the dip powders in a smaller container so that I could angle my finger better in those containers. So I placed the clear dip powder and the pink dip powder in smaller containers. On the middle finger, I placed base on the whole nail and I'm doing a color block. So I just angled my finger into the dip powder and left it in there for about 5 seconds and then moved on to the other side. So I did pink and then clear and then pink again. Now on the clear area, I used some base and then I stuck some of the gold hearts on the nail. The camera shut off right here and I didn't know. I also placed some of the fine glitter on the nail as well, but you're hardly seeing it. The pink glitter was too big to place on that area, unfortunately. Then I did a few more layers of the color block, but I only showed one more layer. Now I encapsulated the nails with my Pro Dip Clear Dip powder. I did 3 layers, but I only showed 1 layer. The reason the middle finger is a little wider than the rest is because when color blocking, the base glue will gravitate to the angle you're in, so that's why it happened, but filing will fix that. Then, using my Layla activator, I applied the activator, waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nails. Now I apply my Mother One's gel top coat and I cure it for 30 seconds. When the nails cooled down, I applied my Layla cuticle oil. And this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!